Hello, hello, how are you? Today we're gonna make cauliflower mash. That's right, it's very quick, very easy, guilt-free, literally from 5 to 10 minutes max, and it's so delicious. Okay, the ingredients: of course cauliflower. I'm gonna use cauliflower rice because I just love it. I love the texture, I love everything about it. And of course you need to defrost the cauliflower rice first. So this is my defrosted one. Smells nice already. Okay, then you need butter, just butter, pure cream, salt, you need pepper, and something that I really love. This is nutmeg, a pinch of nutmeg. I love the smell. Okay, and then you have to finish with a little bit of parmigiano. Before you start, you need to do two quick things. First, to defrost the cauliflower if you have the frozen one. And the second, to have a glass of wine. In my case, I'm gonna open Prosecco. You really need it. Stay tuned. Oh, not yet. And of course, you need NutriBullet. If you don't have a NutriBullet, this is not a big drama. So you can use any kitchen processor or any blender. Not a big drama, as I said. Okay, pour a glass of wine or Prosecco and let's get started. First thing first, cheers. As I said, it's very promised. We just need to put everything here inside this NutriBullet to mix the ingredients together and we are done, right? So first I'm gonna add, it's very hard for me to show you guys, so I have to hold it. This is our pure cream. Okay, so mixing, you need melted butter. Can you see that? Oh, it's hot. Okay, so let's put some salt in the meantime. Some salt. Okay, then we need some pepper. Don't ask me how much, it's up to you. If you love spicy, put a little bit more. If you don't, less, or skip it, doesn't matter. Okay, this is all about personal taste and personal choice. So put the butter inside. You can have a look. Everything is here. A little bit of my favorite one, the nutmeg, just a little bit. Again, don't ask me how much, up to you. And Parmesan. Taran. So everything is here. I love Parmesan, I love cheese. Cheese and wine, my favorite combination ever. Okay, so everything is here. And we just need to blend this and we are done. Okay, just give me a second. And I'll be back to show you the whole process. Okay guys, so everything is here. We just need to close the lid. Okay, I just need to adjust the camera somehow. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, so this is the NutriBullet. We just need to put everything here. Hopefully you can see it. And just start blending. Oh yeah. What? Just a little bit more. That's it. Okay, so we're ready. Let me have a little bit of Prosecco and we'll taste it. Okay, okay, let's try this one. The texture is great, everything looks great. Okay. Ooh. Everything looks absolutely perfect. Look at the texture. No comments. It's like real mash. It's amazing, guys. Seriously, you have to try it. It's so simple. Okay? And guilt-free. Bye. See you next time.